I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger.
All right, you guys, welcome back to Afamily 5. We are starting off with where we ended at on Labor Day weekend. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this kitchen clean with all the food put up. In my family, we don't use Tupperware, we use plastic bags, okay? Because it's easier to get them into places rather than in the square Tupperware boxes. So as you will see, as I am cleaning up the kitchen, things are going into plastic bags. I'm forming them in 2 ways so they can fit into an actual container for all the food to go in. So I really hope that y'all enjoy. We are ending where we started and finishing up this game of large Jenga. And then after that, we'll go ahead and get into the cleaning. I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. Up in the left box below, I'm gonna put up my Black history. That way you can see where my uncle, the man in the yellow, my Uncle Stanley, my Uncle Ernest is the man in the gray shirt. And then I have my Aunt Pearl and my Aunt Ado is there. My cousin Paula is there. My cousin Shondell is there with her boo Joshua. We over here just chilling and having fun. And thank you to Joshua and Shondell boo for being subscription members. They subscribe to the channel. My family support me. I'm so happy. I am now dealing with COVID. And yeah, y'all, I'm pissed off. So while I'm mad about being at home doing nothing, we're going to do something about that. And we're going to go ahead and get started with going ahead and getting this content up to y'all. Right now, we're about to get ready for some spades. And then we'll get into that cleaning. I really hope that y'all enjoy. And then I'll be back at the end of the video. Nothing but music until the end. Love you guys. Y'all be blessed.
So wrap your arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. Tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No. Yeah. Hear me out, like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't I? to pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need that looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There's no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya, with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya, to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. Trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, no. Imagine us You don't have to wait for it tonight.
All right, you guys, so it is 1:30 a.m. on Labor Day 2023. I want to thank y'all so much for spending this whole day with me. We cleaned up, we went to Zumba, those be in the before videos. We cleaned up the backyard and we cooked out and had fun with family. Then we cleaned the kitchen and yeah, so thank y'all for being here. As always, for we are the family that love life and having fun and giving you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. That's Doug's Food. He is back, went out, and he decided he wanted to rest, and he can because he cooked all the food. So that's what he did today. So now he's up at 2 o'clock ready to eat. Wonderful. So well, y'all be blessed, and we'll see you on 2. Peace out, y'all.
Forever.